Because of its extreme versatility and power, the 44 Magnum is a favorite among shooters, hunters, and collectors. These revolvers have it all. Let's get right into it and find the best 44 Magnum revolvers that will astound you. Number 5. Tracker Taurus 44. This revolver, chambered in .44 Magnum, is renowned for its versatility and stopping power. The 4-inch barrel length of the Taurus Tracker 44 offers a superb balance between accuracy and maneuverability. It is a great option for both self-defense and recreational shooting because of its stainless steel construction, which offers durability and resistance to harsh conditions. The rubber grip on the Taurus Tracker 44 is comfortable and provides a secure grip, reducing recoil and enhancing control. Because of its small size and well-distributed weight, this revolver is comfortable to hold, especially for shooters with little hands. The Taurus Tracker 44's straightforward cylinder release mechanism is one of its noteworthy features. With just a button press, you may quickly unload and reload the revolver, ensuring a smooth shooting experience. The fixed front sight and adjustable rear sight of the Taurus Tracker 44 combine to deliver exceptional accuracy. Because of the heavy barrel's reduced recoil, firing more shots is easier and more controllable. When handling firearms, safety is always the first priority. A transfer bar safety mechanism on the Taurus Tracker 44 keeps users safe and avoids unintentional discharges. Gun enthusiasts adore it for its better shooting experience, reliable construction, and 44 Magnum chambering. The Tracker 44 offers a dependable and enjoyable shooting experience for both novice and expert shooters. Number 4. The Simmeron Bad Boy. A real icon in the world of guns is the Simmeron Bad Boy. The Simmeron Firearms Company's revolver honors the storied single-action handguns of the Old West. Both gun enthusiasts and history buffs are enthralled with it since it captures the essence of the frontier. Gun enthusiasts love this gun for its durability, quality construction, and historical significance. The 44 Magnum cartridge, which has great stopping power, is chambered for the Bad Boy. This 8-inch barreled revolver holds 6 shots and is built for accuracy and performance. Its shiny sheen and streamlined design give it a unique and classic charm. Among the Simmeron Bad Boy's most noteworthy feature is its exceptional craftsmanship. Because it is constructed with high-quality components, its dependability and longevity are guaranteed. The revolver's perfect operation and the engraving's attention to detail highlight the skill and imagination of the gunsmiths who made it. One of the historical figures in the Simmeron Bad Boy. It takes inspiration from the revolvers carried by legendary figures like Wyatt Earp, Bat Masterson, and Wild Bill Hickok. Gun enthusiasts can connect with the rich history and folklore of the Old West by owning a Bad Boy, which adds excitement and nostalgia to the experience. Number 3. The Smith & Wesson 69 Combat. The renowned Smith & Wesson 69 Combat revolver is a remarkable handgun that embodies strength, versatility, and consistency. This revolver is a great option for gun enthusiasts due to its many features, which makes it suitable for both recreational and self-defense use. The Smith & Wesson 69 Combat is chambered in .44 Magnum, a cartridge known for its exceptional effectiveness and stopping power. Because this revolver is tiny and modest in size, you may utilize the full potential of the 44 Magnum cartridge. This revolver is powerful and performs well, making it ideal for target shooting or self-defense. One of its unique selling points is the production of the Smith & Wesson 69 Combat. The sturdy stainless steel frame of this revolver offers exceptional endurance and longevity, enabling it to withstand even the most trying circumstances. The sleek and elegant appearance is additionally enhanced by the stainless steel structure, The 2.5-inch barrel of the revolver offers an excellent balance between accuracy and maneuverability, while maintaining the proper barrel length for improved accuracy and muzzle velocity. The shorter barrel length facilitates improved concealment and carrying. Additionally, it features a dual-action, single-action trigger mechanism that offers multiple firing options. The double-action trigger fires the first shot with a longer, heavier draw, and the single-action trigger fires subsequent shots with a lighter, sharper trigger pull. Smith & Wesson's 69 combat sights allow you to fine-tune your aim and achieve precise shot placement. Those who shoot competitively or who seek the best accuracy possible in their shooting conditions will find this capability to be very helpful. Additionally, the revolver holds 5 rounds, offering a decent balance between power and ease of reloading. When buying a gun, ergonomics and comfort are crucial considerations, and the Smith & Wesson 6.9 Combat excels in these areas. The revolver's ergonomic grips provide a secure and comfortable grip while reducing recoil and improving control. This ensures that under fast fire or high-stress conditions, you can operate the revolver with confidence and accuracy. To sum up, the Smith & Wesson 69 Combat Revolver is a compact and potent handgun suitable for both recreational and self-defense use. Its ergonomic form, stainless steel construction, and adjustable sights make it a trustworthy partner for any shooter. Whether you're carrying it for self-defense or at the range, this revolver will not fail you down. Number 2. Ruger New Model Super Blackhawk Standard. Gun fans love this revolver, and it's a great option for anyone searching for a reliable, powerful weapon. The robust design of the Ruger New Model Super Black Standard is one of its most notable attributes. The revolver's frame, cylinder, and barrel are all composed of premium stainless steel, which gives it exceptional strength and resistance to abrasions. With a 7.5-inch barrel, the Ruger New Model Super Black Standard offers increased muzzle velocity and accuracy. The Super Blackhawk Standard is equipped with a potent 44 Magnum round as well. There are 44 special rounds in it. The Super Blackhawk Standard's firm rubber composition, which provides a pleasant and stable handle, also contributes to its solid grip. The revolver's exceptionally smooth trigger pull makes it easy to shoot consistently and accurately. The Super Blackhawk Standard revolver is a work of art in terms of design. It is a timeless piece that will draw attention in the outdoors or at the shooting range thanks to its classic design and simple lines. With its stainless steel finish, the revolver has a modern, streamlined appearance. Ruger understands the value of comfort when using guns. Additionally, Ruger offers a wide range of customization options so you may make your revolver uniquely yours. In summary, the Ruger New Model Super Blackhawk Standard Revolver is a conventional revolver that has been updated with new features. Anyone searching for a dependable, strong, and adaptable revolver should choose the Super Blackhawk Standard Revolver. Its construction is strong and long-lasting. Its ergonomic grip, attractive design, and 44 Magnum ammunition set it apart from the majority of revolvers. The Ruger New Model Super Blackhawk Standard is a weapon to take into consideration if you're looking to purchase one. Number 1. Smith & Wesson Performance Center Model 629. A masterpiece of firearm design is the Smith & Wesson Performance Center Model 629 revolver. With this high-performance revolver, Smith & Wesson, renowned for their exquisite craftsmanship, has once again exceeded expectations. The 44 Magnum cartridge, which is renowned for its power, is chambered for the Model 629. To give you more alternatives, this revolver can also shoot 44 special ammo. The Performance Center improvement, which includes an unfluted cylinder, a stylish two-tone finish, and a tuned action, is fitted to this model. Better accuracy, less recoil, and a smoother trigger pull are the outcomes of these enhancements. There are 3 different barrel lengths available for the Model 629. 3 inches, 4.25 inches, and 6.5 inches. This gives shooters the option to choose the barrel length that best suits their requirement, be it hunting, target shooting, or concealed carry. Because of its accurate construction and robust structure, the Model 629 offers amazing precision. Competitive shooters and hunters alike love it because of its enhanced barrel and trigger mechanism, which contribute to reliable shot placement. The Model 629 excels at managing recoil despite its power. The revolver's weight and grip design, along with the performance center enhancements, make for a comfortable shooting experience that reduces fatigue during extended range sessions. The Model 6 1991 is another example of the dependable nature of Smith & Wesson revolvers. Because it is made with premium materials and expert craftsmanship, it can withstand tough situations for an extended period of time. The Performance Center of Smith & Wesson Model 629 is a prime example of the company's commitment to excellence. For shooters who value performance and dependability above else, its blend of power, accuracy, and versatility makes it a great option. Whether you are a hunter, competitive shooter, or just someone who appreciates a wonderful revolver, the Model 629 will undoubtedly impress you. Do you like the incredible accuracy and power of the 44 Magnum? In that case, remember to hit the subscribe button for more engrossing videos about firearms in the future. Are you curious about the greatest firearms for senior citizens? Next, view the video 12 Guns for 50+ Seniors. Thank you for watching.